one. Bear probably likes the pink one too. Bear, I think they got a few. These don't have the fun switches though. Well, they are machine gun bears. Here's your proof. There are machine gun bears. I know.
You want to try back outside?
Bear has cafeteria rain food from Knob Creek. Bear's got ribeye sandwich, steak sandwich, and blueberry muffins from the bake sale. Good thing we brought cash. What'd you find, Bear? What'd you find? This is a 1919 Browning A4? You know, Bear, this thing is just your size. The owner will trade it for a bear at 99. Wish we had one to trade. What'd you find, Bear? For $900, Bear found a Jaws of Life for sale. It's only 900 bucks. Looks like a flamethrower, Bear. The Jaws of Life.